Well, we got to this day because last month, Jackson pleaded guilty to 4 counts, 2 firearms and 2 assault charges in the case. Today, he stood up in court and told the judge he was sorry. Then he got slapped with a 10-year prison sentence, the first 5 of which he is not eligible for parole. Tristan Jackson yelled out to people gathered on the sidewalk today on his way into a prison van about 2 hours after he was slapped with the sentence of 45 years, suspend all but 10, for his role in the 2023 Brooklyn Day mass shooting. It came after he pled guilty last month to assault and weapons charges in the case. Today, his lawyer said it was self-defense and asked the judge for a sentence of 25 years, suspend all but 5.
I don't have any comment. Thank you very much. No, I don't have any comment. No comment. Thank you.
Prosecutors pushed for 50, suspend all but 12, telling the judge he showed intent and was on probation at the time, with GPS tracking by DJS for bringing a gun to Mervo. Jackson spoke too. Reading from prepared remarks, he started with an apology to the court, to my family, and anyone who has been hurt by my actions. I realize how selfish I was and how my poor choices have impacted people I care about. He wants to go to college, he said, become a licensed social worker and help troubled youth. I can guarantee I won't take a second chance for granted, he told the judge. I want to be somebody.
A lot of respect for Judge Mays. I'm not really making any comments other than that right now.
Then the judge gave him a sentence that added up to 45 years, suspend all but 10. Any of you want to say anything, any reaction to the sentence? Any reaction to the sentence? His family members in the courtroom gallery during the hearing began to cry. Sorry, I didn't want to.
Thank you.
Today's sentencing hearing did not include victim impact statements, the prosecution told us, because the state was never able to directly connect any of the shooting victims to Mr. Jackson. In a statement, the city-state's attorney said he hopes the sentence brings some measure of comfort to people impacted by this. He also said the investigation continues. Reporting live tonight, I'm Kate Amara, WBAL-TV 11 News.